Well, that was quick. We just had a couple of the loudest claps of thunder I think I've ever heard. Not to mention, it's actually freezing out here. I'm kidding, it's chilly. Very, very chilly. I got the garbage out just in time. Because the rain was just coming down just as I got both garbage cans out, so. Inside, those twigs and sticks over there. Yeah, they're not going to get broken up. And this is a small one anyway, so. Because I can see the sun poking its head out over there. So. We get anything bigger today, I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, hang in there. Hopefully we get some even better stuff today. Told you guys there'd be storms. I just woke up from a nap. Yeah, you can hear some thunder in the background. And oh my god. Hold on 1 second, guys. Here. Put the porch light on. There you go. Porch light has been put on. I have no clue if my V20 even picked that up. Let's just say there's some stuff I'm looking at I obviously will not pan, because I am not getting in trouble. But let's just say that it's just not pretty. That's all I gotta tell you. At least in the Department of Storms, it's not. Dang. 2, 1, and strike. Now some thunder. Did you hear the thunder? You better run. You better take cover. Man, I wish this Schneik was at night. Telling you, that'd be so freaking cool. Okay, guys, I have swapped over to my 5S. I normally don't do this. I normally do not switch over to my iPhone 5S, but it's actually getting brutal out here. And of course I have my phone in there, time-lapsing it. Hang in there 1 second. I'll put this here. Sorry for that jump cut and that interruption. Wow. Holy shit, guys. It is raining so hard. Emphasize on the word hard. I'm kidding. It's not raining that hard, although I saw some lightning like By the way, what I went to do, I went to plug in my LG V20 so that it can charge while I'm doing the time lapse. Right there, there's the sun over there. Sun's poking its head out. That's because all the bigness has moved that way. It seems to be how the storms always affect us lately. It goes from over here to over here. Dang. Last storm just passed. Man, look at this. Look at this. Wow. I'm not sure you guys are even seeing it because it's silhouetting. Wow. Yeah, the rain just quit like that. Absolutely amazing, guys. Another storm, guys. Talking about home runs. Yeah, you might want to take a 20-minute break. There's a storm coming. Another storm. I know I should actually be doing this on my V20, but I did the first one with my 5S. And then the second one with my and now I'm doing the second storm with this. And the freaking battery's dead. Sorry about that. Freaking battery died on me. Again! It just seems like this is gonna be a rainy day. It's crazy. Looks like it's just rain on this one. Alright, hang in there, guys. I'll see you tonight. Oh, guys, I'm back. And it is now nighttime. I think we're about ready to get some boo crap. I hear it rumbling out here. Man, we be getting nothing but boo crap all freaking day long. All freaking day long, we be getting nothing but bull crap. Oh, there it is. It's over that way. Alright. Well, guys, I'm gonna pause for a moment. I have half a battery left. So, I'm going to plug in my phone. Thank you, Mr. Carr, for interrupting me. I do appreciate it. I have half battery left. I'm going to plug this in and charge it while I go and I've got some things I need to do. So, hang in there. Well, this thunderstorm just cannot seem to hold its freaking horses. Seriously. Now, this battery pack's not gonna last too long. We've been getting slammed with bullcrap all day long. You should have heard me upstairs because I was washing my hands. I was like, I hear you. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hold your freaking horses. I missed it. Dang it. Dang it, I missed it. Dang! It's raining, yo! It's raining! All of a sudden it just changes just like that. Okay, and so that's it? I think that's it. Well, hang in there. Well, guys, this has been an intensive storm day. Very, very stormy today, and of course it is still raining at this particular moment in time as I speak, so. But, yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon notification next to the subscribe button so you know when I upload a video the next time. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I am at 25143J. My YouTube channel is connected to my Twitter, so it will tweet every single time when I upload a video. Last I looked, I have 381 followers on Twitter. So if you follow me on Twitter at 25143J. I should be annotating it right now. And yeah, you go to that and search for me and follow me. Yeah, there you go. Share that around. And also, last but not least, don't forget to drop a comment, telling me, tell me what the worst storm is that you've experienced. The worst, it could be a strong thunderstorm, severe thunderstorm, tornado, hurricane, earthquake, I don't freaking care. Tell me what the worst storm is that you yourself have experienced in the comment section below. Alright, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace, watch, and Rosie end card. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to me. Don't forget to check out Twitter and Facebook. All the links are down in the description. Peace to 5143J out.